Marriage is a beautiful journey, but it takes effort and commitment. Communication is key, as it helps couples understand each other's needs and resolve conflicts. According to research, couples who express appreciation for each other are more likely to have a successful marriage. Trust is the foundation of a strong marriage, allowing couples to feel safe and emotionally connected. Studies show that couples who prioritize quality time together have happier and more fulfilling marriages. It is crucial to maintain a balance between individuality and togetherness, respecting each other's personal space and interests. Mutual respect is essential for a healthy marriage, as it fosters a sense of equality and emotional security. Effective problem-solving is a skill that helps couples navigate disagreements and find solutions that satisfy both parties. Openness and vulnerability create an atmosphere of intimacy, deepening the emotional bond between partners. If you are enjoying this content, please smash the like button for us. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people. Thanks in advance. Healthy sexual intimacy is an important aspect of a successful marriage, promoting closeness and connection. Regular expression of affection, such as hugs and kisses, can increase marital satisfaction and strengthen the bond. Financial compatibility is crucial for a successful marriage, as money-related conflicts can strain the relationship. Shared values and goals help couples build a sense of purpose and reinforce their commitment to each other. Supporting each other's personal growth and ambitions contributes to a thriving and fulfilling marriage. Handling stress in a healthy way is vital, as external pressures can impact the relationship if not managed properly. According to studies, couples who engage in hobbies or activities together report higher relationship satisfaction. Creating a positive and nurturing environment at home can contribute to a successful and happy marriage. Emotional intelligence plays a role in understanding and managing emotions, which enhances marital communication. Learning effective listening skills helps couples demonstrate empathy and better understand each other's perspective. Studies suggest that gratitude practices, such as gratitude journals, can strengthen marital satisfaction and well-being. Having realistic expectations about marriage can prevent disappointment and foster a more positive outlook. Couples who seek help and attend therapy when facing challenges have a higher chance of overcoming difficulties. Celebrating milestones and creating traditions together strengthens the bond and creates cherished memories. Expressing love and appreciation through gestures, such as surprise gifts or love notes, can reignite romance. Learning to apologize and take responsibility for mistakes helps maintain trust and repair any possible damage. Studies show that couples who laugh together are more likely to have a happy and successful marriage. Fostering a sense of friendship and companionship creates a solid foundation for a long-lasting relationship. Creating and maintaining boundaries in the relationship promotes respect and healthy individuality. It is important to accept and embrace each other's flaws and imperfections, as nobody is perfect. Embracing change and adapting to life's challenges together strengthens the marriage. Remembering the small acts of kindness and thoughtfulness can keep the love alive in a long-term relationship. Maintaining physical affection, such as holding hands or cuddling, nourishes the emotional bond between partners. Expressing empathy and validating each other's emotions helps build trust and emotional intimacy. Couples who are willing to compromise and find win-win solutions have a higher chance of a successful marriage. Being present and attentive to each other's needs shows genuine care and strengthens the relationship. Expressing gratitude for each other's contributions and efforts fosters appreciation and a positive atmosphere. Investing in self-improvement and personal growth contributes to a healthier and more fulfilling marriage. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this content, please subscribe with the notification bell on so you can be informed when we release new content.